Hello guys, so today we will learn how to extract plots from a single layer into multi-layers using Origin. First we will open our Origin software in the computer. Then we will insert our data by opening a file directly, or we can also copy paste into the book. Open the data file. I will just copy and click here and paste. So data is already inside the worksheet of Origin. Now I will plot a graph by click this and control so we have selected 1 2 3 4 5 4 y-axis, and there are 4 graphs. Here you can see these are 4 lines, but they are drawn in one layer. So you can change if you want, make them independent so they don't affect each other when you are changing their color or anything. So this graph is single layer. Now we will extract these single layer into multi-layers with separate graphs, but in one graph. So just click on the graph, and on the right hand side here there are options extract to layers. So it will extract into the layers. So how many layers we have? 1 2 3 4. So it will be extracted into the 4 layers, and it will also give multiple options. For example, click this. First it asks us how many rows we want or how many column we want. Since there are 4 graphs, so it should be 2 column and 2 rows. Let's first choose this default function. Okay, and then it asks the gap between the graphs or between the layers and margin, etc. You can change if you like. I will keep it default. Now there are 4 separate layers. So we have extracted single layer to multi-layers, but on the same graph. So you can change them according to your requirement, according to your style, or according to your like or dislike. So this is 2 column and 2 rows. So let's try another function. Delete. So let's draw it again. Okay, and click on the graph, then click here, extract to individual layers. So let's keep the number of rows maybe 1, and then it should be 4. Column should be 4. So this is the margin I will keep. So this is how it will looks like. You have seen in many journal articles some graphs are like this. So in 1 row, but in 4 columns. So let's try another style. Delete, and again select, draw the graph, and select the graph and extract. Now we will use 4 rows and 1 columns. Let's see how it looks like. This is default gaps. So this is how it looks like. So you can adjust like their height or their axis, anything you want you can change, and by just clicking and adjusting everything. So this is how we can extract the plot from a single layer into multi-layers. If you have any question, please feel free to comment. Thank you very much.